Cleveland, baby, overtime call, no AC. There's a Progressive Field where the Cleveland Indians play. Just a little shot there. So we're gonna be heading over to a pet store. No AC in the back room. See what we can figure out there. Got 2 units for this store. One in the back's not cooling. The other one seems to be working properly. I'd say this one's the one that's working properly. And this one's not running, so I would assume this is the one that's not working properly. All right, first things first. Power is on. All right, I'm gonna set this down and open up some panels. All right, so we've got power, 480 volts, 3-phase. I'm gonna start digging in here and see what we can find. I've got 480 volts to the transformer, and I've got nothing on the 24 volt side. So I think we might have a bad transformer here. All right, here's what we got, guys. I pulled the line side off of the transformer, and I've got no resistance. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. I don't know how all these other freaking YouTubers do it. It's open. So right off the bat, bad transformer. All right, everybody, I got the new transformer in. I'm not sure what caused it to go bad, but we're gonna apply power now, and hopefully this thing doesn't blow up in my face. I'm gonna go ahead and kick this on and stand back. Ooh, and that's a good sign. Blower kicked on. And I can just assume we have 24 volts now. And we do. All right, that's good. All right, I'm gonna wait for this thing to kick on. All right, she's on. Pressures look pretty good. 72, 360. I looked at the other unit too, the condenser fan motor on that has grease all over the shaft, and when I grabbed the fan blade and shook it, I had about a ½ inch of slop. So it's just a recommendation, replace condenser fan motors. So that's what I'm going to recommend. I'm going to recommend that, recommend belts, filters, recommend coil flush. I'm going to sit here and watch this for a little while longer. The unit's pulling 11.15 amps. Compressors rated for 9.7, indoor fan motor 5.3, fan motor was pulling 4, around 4, so if I'm only pulling 11 total, we're good. I just want to thank everybody for watching the videos. Give me a thumbs up, give me a comment, please subscribe, hit me up. My email address is in the description. I'm open to any suggestions or whatever. So, got a wasp flying around looking for a home. Anyway, pressures look good. I'm not getting too super crazy. Not quite sure what caused the transformer to go. Maybe they're having power issues in this area. I don't know, but it's running now. So that's gonna do it for this one, guys. I'll see you on the next one.